Good morning, guys. So I'm making some fried dumpling. I'm so sorry I did not record the process, but if you want me to do a specific video on how to make fried dumplings, you can definitely comment down below how to make the dough. So I made the dough and it is sitting for about 10 minutes. So yeah, so this is how you want the consistency of your dough, to be kind of spongy. Air cleaner, man. Is here, guys. Hold on. Welcome back to Vlogmas 7. It is Vlogmas 7, guys. Today is Sunday. We're starting out this piercing bump, guys. Like the other day I was wiping my face with a towel and I tell you, I said blinky, peeny, wally, everything. I made sure to ask for the one that coils, because if you have piercing, you know that losing your nose ring is easy once it's a straight one. So I got the coil one that will, make it be harder to lose. But when I pulled on it with the towel when I was wiping my face, guys, and because of that, the irritation bump is up. And I showed sometime in my vlog, because I know when I was looking up, there's a bump in here. It's under here. So I have been using this piercing bump solution. I got this from Amazon and I have been using it. I haven't been consistent, but yeah, it works though. I have been, so I just kind of just put a little on the Q-tip like so, and then I just apply it on the area that is affected, and then I put it inside of my nose. Ooh, don't tight, you know. Oh god, look at the first day. Oh my god. This is what the hair is giving after skincare. Okay. Moisturizer, guys. This. Okay, so you guys were asking me what sunscreen I use. So this is the sunscreen I use. This is a weightless hydration, 12-hour moisturization, oil-free sunscreen. It doesn't leave your skin oily and it does not leave the white cast on your face. now, so let's do a quick haul. I got some plates, some apples, tomatoes, some Maggi blend okras, our onions, guys, carrots, some stuff for baking. So we're going to bake some Christmas fruit cake. So stay tuned for that video. So I got some fruits that I am going to stew, and yeah, we're gonna get snacks for the adults and the teenagers. This popcorn. I got this National Duplex cookies, some ginger cookies, some cheese, vanilla lasco. Got this. I got flour, cake and pastry, and I got all purpose. Come give me a kiss on the vlog and the cheek. Yeah. Right. Mama, talk to the camera. Yeah. Tell them say their favorite. And Malika the boss. Boss. So you love me? You love me. I was showing you the love. So she said she loves you guys. Cause you what?
God no.
The peach rings. This is what the things they will do. Alright, back to regular programming. Pisco pop. I got rum for the cake. I got red label one. Got back some baking powder. Juice. Pineapple juice. Gatorade. And Lucozade. I got 7 of these, guys. The True Shake. I like the butter pecan. And recently I'm in love with the chocolate. You know vanilla is a must, but the chocolate when it's really cold or icy, have that nice shaky ice. Nice. I got 2 yogurts, but I need to get my regular yogurts from PriceSmart. I haven't been to PriceSmart in a while because of the crowd and so. But I need to go back to PriceSmart and get my Chobani yogurts. Some Maggi all-purpose. Before, have you tried these before? These are like 30 calories with 5 grams of sugar for our cake. But this fish that I'm going to cook right now, got some shrimp. And I tell them to weigh out 5 pounds of mixed parts for me at Master Max a year. We have spent a total of $36,243 at Master Max. This is it for 36 grand. I know about like the rum and the cake baking stuff. So yeah, the rum, the cake baking stuff are pretty pricey. And the vegetables are expensive. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is our shrimp, curry shrimp, or plain rice. Malika take out some of the food already. And this is the curry chicken.